Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a highly anticipated product in the world of hair extensions, the IDN BEAUTY SKINLIKE REAL HD 13x6 Lace Frontal Straight 22-inch Bleached Single Knots Ultra Thin Frontal HD Lace Closure with Virgin Human Hair. This is a lace frontal that promises to give you a seamless, natural-looking hairline, and it's packed with some impressive features. So, let's break down what makes this product stand out and if it really lives up to its claims. This lace frontal comes with a 13x6 HD lace that's ultra thin at just 0.1 millimeters, made from Swiss HD lace, which is known for its ability to blend seamlessly with your natural skin. This lace is said to be lighter, softer, and more breathable than transparent lace, which could be a game changer for anyone looking for that invisible, undetectable look. Plus, it's touted as being incredibly comfortable to wear. No more heavy, bulky lace that feels like it's suffocating your scalp. The knots on this lace frontal are single and pre-bleached. Single knots are the thinnest and most invisible, which is crucial for those of us looking to achieve that flawless natural hairline. The pre-bleaching ensures that the knots are as undetectable as possible, while the technology used prevents shedding and over-bleaching. That means you get a long-lasting, secure look without the worry of damaging your lace or the hair itself. Made from 15-8 grade virgin human hair, this lace frontal is silky smooth with all the cuticles aligned in one direction. Tangle-free and shedding-free are some bold claims, and we'll be putting them to the test in a bit. This grade of hair should ensure that the frontal is durable, looks natural, and feels like real hair. The glueless design makes this lace frontal beginner-friendly. You don't need to be a pro to install it, and it's great for those who want to save time. The pre-plucked natural hairline adds to its realistic appearance, so you don't have to worry about any harsh lines or bulky edges. Now let's talk about how it performs in real life. I tested this product by wearing it during multiple occasions, from a casual day out to a more intense day of activities. The lace truly does melt into the skin, creating that undetectable natural look. I didn't notice any discomfort. In fact, it was incredibly lightweight, which is always a bonus. The pre-plucked hairline was impressive, as it saved a lot of time, and the lace didn't require much customization. What I loved most about this frontal was how easy it was to style. Whether I was rocking a deep middle part or a side part, the flexibility of the lace allowed for easy adjustments without feeling too stiff or unnatural. However, one downside I did encounter was the slight bulkiness at the base of the lace, which could be an issue if you're aiming for an even thinner or more breathable lace. It's not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind for those looking for a truly ultralight experience. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: ultra-thin 0.1mm HD lace that blends seamlessly with the skin. Pre-bleached single knots for an undetectable finish. High-quality 15-8 virgin human hair that is silky and tangle-free. Glueless and easy to install, making it beginner-friendly. Versatile lace space for different parting styles. Cons: slight bulkiness at the base of the lace, which could feel a bit heavy for some. The lace frontal is on the pricier side, so it might not be for everyone on a tight budget. So, does the IDN BEAUTY HD lace frontal offer good value for money? Given the high-quality materials and the technology behind the lace, it certainly offers solid value. You're paying for durable, natural-looking hair and an undetectable lace that's beginner-friendly. That being said, the price might be a bit much for some people, so it's important to consider whether the added features and luxury are worth the extra cost. In terms of comparisons, this lace frontal holds up well against similar products in its price range. It's definitely more affordable than some luxury lace frontals, yet it offers many of the same features, like pre-bleached knots and natural-looking hairlines. The build quality is impressive, with the lace feeling sturdy but not too rigid. Over time, I noticed that the lace maintained its invisibility and the hair remained soft and smooth. As for longevity, it's clear that this product is built to last, provided it's maintained properly. I didn't have direct interaction with the brand's customer service, but based on its reputation, it's safe to assume that the company would offer support if needed. If you're looking for more affordable options, there are other lace frontals that deliver good performance at a lower price point. However, If you're after a product that blends seamlessly with your skin, offers superior comfort, and is easy to install, this lace frontal is definitely worth considering. Final verdict. The IDN Beauty HD Lace Frontal is a solid choice for those seeking a natural, undetectable look with minimal effort. Its high-quality virgin human hair, glueless design, and ultra-thin HD lace set it apart from many other lace frontals. However, the price might not be justified for everyone, and the slight bulkiness at the base of the lace could be a minor drawback. If you're a beginner looking for an easy-to-install, realistic lace frontal with a lot of versatility, this product is a great pick. But if you're on a budget, there are alternatives that may suit your needs. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear about your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.